Uh, I'm going to solve one legal problem in integration. How little bit confusing it is from a similar type of. For example, this is a question which I'm going to. This is dx divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Let me first tell you why this is. There is a similar type which, suppose if this is asked as 2 plus sin x cos x. If you come across this type of question, this has got a method that substitute tan x by 2 equals to t. Whereas this problem seems to be similar to that. But this is a typical type which is a confusing one. And if you come across this, there is a good method like this 2 can be replaced by some r cos alpha. 3 can be replaced as r sin alpha. Here I am going to find out what are the values of r and alpha. So once you get this, obviously is 2 square plus 3 square, squaring and adding. I get r square sin square alpha plus cos square. That implies 9 plus 4 is 13. Root 13 equals to r, because this is going to be 1. So I got the value of r. Then immediately I'll find out value of alpha by dividing these two equations. R sin alpha divided by r cos alpha equals to 3 by 2. R gets cancelled. So I get sin by cos is tan 3 by 2. Alpha becomes tan inverse of. So by this process, I could get value of r and alpha. The beauty of this problem is I am going to substitute this not for integration but for simplification. Whereas here tan x by 2 was to be substituted for integration. So I have to change x, all the things in all those things. Here we are not going to do anything. Therefore, let us substitute this and back to the integral. So I get dx divided by after substituting r sin x cos alpha plus r cos x sin alpha. I can take r outside, so this becomes sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. You are all aware that this standard formula which can reduce this to this integral using sin a cos b plus cos a sin b sin of x plus alpha. So this becomes a very compact and fits into ready-made formula because 1 by r integral cosec of x plus alpha. You are aware what is the formula for cosec x and use that. So almost final answer is by r log of cosec x plus alpha minus cot of x plus alpha. See, remember that every log should have a modulus, not the bracket. Now you have got r well as alpha. Your final step will be I is equal to 1 by root 13 outside log of cosec x plus alpha minus cot of x plus c, where alpha is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 2. This is how I get my final answer. So little bit care is to be taken to find r properly, tan alpha properly. You may in fact interchange this also. 2 can be replaced as r sin alpha, 3 can be replaced as r cos alpha also. You can expect what are going to be the further changes. Values remains the same and we'll get little, but here instead of sine would get cos plus get cos A cos B plus sin A. So you'll get 1 by cos of alpha or x minus alpha, and it will be sec formula log of tan x and minor changes, but that is allowed. So you have both option, put 2 is equal to r cos alpha or 3 is equal to r sin alpha, and vice versa. You can interchange. So this was a little bit confusing type. Here, don't substitute tan x by 2, not give you proper smooth answer. The Maharashtra board is expected in this way. It's fine. So these are some typical type, so many typical type of problems. So you have to handle it as far as comes. So see you, good luck, all the best. 2 मिनिटं झालं. 5 झाले असते.